Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can send bulk emails on Pipedrive. This is useful for reaching multiple contacts efficiently when personalizing messages using templates. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to the mail section, which is right here. And once you're here, you do have to make sure first to actually verify your account or your email first before proceeding. So anyway, once that's all set up, you will just have to open your mail, and then here you should see your you should see your bulk email option. So just go ahead and select that, and then you will basically just have to choose the contacts or deals to receive the email. And then after that, you will choose a template by picking a save email template or write a message. And then you will personalize placeholders like bracket, first name, and this is for better engagement, by the way. And then of course you will configure the settings by uh, you will set the sender, you will set the reply to and schedule time and all that stuffs, and then you will check spam compliance. And yeah, once that's all set up, you will just have to click send, and then Pipedrive will send emails to all selected recipients and track opens. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.